Welcome back, everybody. So, up to date on the glider here. Glue is curing here. We got some Gorilla Glue on there. This one we got to glue together. This is quite a bit bigger than the others, so we'll see how this flies. I got to glue the little launcher hook there, and that'll be ready to go. And other news, we got some new filament come through. First one is a TPU by Overture Blue. In the box now, ruler, and a build surface. Very cool. Foil vacuum pack bag. Very nice looking label and a very cool looking color. And yeah, it was vacuum packed. I had to remake this video. Next is the Pet G. Amazon Basics. Translucent red. It looks pretty neat.